December 15th for Charlie's Advent Calendar. We are on the 15th day of the month, so we will be picking our 15th package. And today, wonder what we have. Let's cut her open. Cut her open. I have a nail on standby. Let me see, what do we have? We have some foils. And they are yellow and it says Merry Christmas. Just open her up. Sorry about the noise. This is a yellow, this is really pretty, a yellow based foil. It says Merry Christmas with some holly leaves, some red bows. So we need a yellow polish. Here it is. This should be a little yellow polish. Here we go. So we've already applied base coat to the nail. Now we're going to apply some of the yellow polish. Whoops, way too much polish there. Way too much. Sorry about that. Wipe off my brush a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to take some strokes down, maybe take a little bit of the polish off with it. I'll be sticking her in once she levels out. For gel polish, you can take your nail, either let them sit for a minute, let them self-level, or you can hang them upside down and they will self-level. Brush strokes are gone. So I'm going to pop her in the lamp, give her a full cure, which means 60 seconds, and we shall return. Alright, we are back. Aren't we? Yeah, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. I really want this red bow on here. It says Merry Christmas. Shoot. I feel like this is gonna come out right. We're pressing, we're rubbing, we're doing with our nail. Trying to get a full coverage transfer, and I have a feeling I messed it up. Oh, well, a little bit. Ugh. Let me try to fix this bow. I'm trying. No, it didn't transfer as best as it should have. We got some blank spaces through here. The bow didn't transfer very well. As you can see here on the foil, what's left yellow in the center there just didn't transfer. The bow is still there, unfortunately. So, operator error. Operator error. What a bummer. This is a beautiful foil too. So I'm going to pop her in the lamp. Give her Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. Freshly top coated nail. Looks much better top coated, but the holly leaf did not transfer 100%. Neither did the bow. That kind of sucks. Well, leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future giveaways, uploads, and any important useful information. We will see you tomorrow on day 16. We hold the foil up with the nail. Get a little bit ahead of myself. And we'll see you tomorrow. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.